Boy having a snowstorm in the year. God damn. That boy got a snowstorm going on. Nah, he had nappy. Nah, you really gotta take care of your hair better than that, brother. That hair is nappy, bro. The blow dryer is crazy. Nah, he had nappy. That's crazy, bro. What y'all to do? Me personally, I would have skinned that ball, bro. Jesus, but that look bad, bro. He need to just cut that over, start over. You know, you gotta just get a wash and a retwist and you'll be good. But y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all would do, man. The bobbing and breast, he look upset.